Alright, abalaba ETV Uganda Word XP gemanya mwebale nnyo kutulaba, mwebale nnyo kutuwuliriza. Kyaddaaki Seeka Nuhu Muzata bate avuddeyo ne yeetondera mwana mulenzi Eddy Kenzo. Obubaka buno abuyisizza ku mukutu gwe ogwa Facebook. Sheik Nuhu Muzata mukulu omusajja ono ateerya ntama, buli kimu ajja akyogerako, naye oluvannyuma buli kimu azza akyogerako, naye oluvannyuma lw'okwogera ku kukyala kwa Rema Namakula n'ayogera ebigambo bye byagamba nti genda owase Nyoko, agamba nti ekigambo ekyo kyamusimattuse, avuddeyo ne yeetondera mwana mulenzi Eddy Kenzo gwayise mutabani we. Era njagala nkusomeremu wano ku bubaka, tujja kuba tugatta oluzungu n'oluganda tulabe nga ensonga eno tugiggusa. Bw'oba nno nga tonaba ku subscribing, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. After subscribing, click on the bell notification button obeere nga ofuna buli kimu ekiriwo. Omukulu ono agamba, dear my son Idris Musuza aka Eddy Kenzo, first I apologize for what the social media users seem to be wrongly perceiving, as well as others are taking it as an insult directed towards you. Agamba nti asooka okwetondera kwabo abakozesa emikutu emigattabantu kye batutta obubi ne bakitwala mu ngeri ya kumulumbagana oba okumuswaza. Agamba nti I did not mean to attack Eddy Kenzo as a person, neither did my message target someone. Agamba nti obubaka bwe bwali tebulumbagana muyimbi ono Eddy Kenzo ng'omuntu, era agamba nti obubaka buno neera bwali tabwolekeza muntu sekinnoomu. Agamba nti obubaka buno bwali geno, it was generic. I kindly and humbly apologize to the public for the word that I used, Wasa Nyoko. Literally meaning, marry your mother. It was a slip of the tongue. Mukulu muwulidde agambye nti aka Wasa Nyoko yeetonze era n'agamba it was a slip of the tongue. Tugenda mu maaso n'ebbaluwa y'omukulu. Well, brother Kenzo, I know that you are going through something incredibly difficult right now. I understand the gravity of your loss. I would never diminish your pain by telling you over and over that it isn't a big deal or that it will be just fine. This is a big deal, my brother. You spent years investing in a future with Namakula Rema that you chose and that you loved deeply. You gave pieces of yourself to someone that no one else on this earth has ever or probably will ever know. You can't have those backs now. She took your secrets, your love, and she left. Kitegedde ono agamba nti Eddy Kenzo yakwata ebitundutundu by'obulamu bwe mu bulamu bw'ensi eno n'abiwa Rema. Agamba nti yakwata ebyama bye, omukwano gwe n'abimuwa, naye era n'agenda. Era wano n'amugamba I'm sorry. If I could take it away, I would obviously, but all the sympathy in the world will not change her decision. Kitegedde. There are some things I want you to try and remember, though as you move forward from this. First of all, there is a major difference between being lonely and being alone. You are going to feel both, possibly at the same time. Do not allow yourself to fall into this feeling so much that you forget how truly together you are. You are not alone. You are not single. You are not lost in a world that makes absolutely no sense. At the end of every single day, you are surrounded by an enemy of people who believe in you and who have faith in your strengths and perseverance. Remember that. Your daughters, Maya Musuza and Amaro Musuza, are going to be keeping a close eye on you, like they have always done. Keep it in mind that they are learning from you. Let them see what a strong and capable man looks like. Give them something to be proud of. Let them see how well and easily you can stand on your own 2 feet and move forward with your life. And on days when you can't be strong, when the grief and pain are too much to bear, let them see what it takes like to be human. Let her know that there is no such thing as perfection, and that is alright. Laba ETV Uganda, tugenda maaso wano mpola mpola. Tugenda maaso wano mpola mpola, tugezaako kusomera baluwa ya Sheik Muzata. Agamba nti when the irrational fear of being alone sets in, don't let it. Remind yourself of a few key things. Everyone loves you. You are easily one of the most handsome, hardworking people on this earth, inside and especially out. And you have an amazing code of conduct, so super and smackable. The thing that you must always try to remember is that every single thing in life is an opportunity to learn and grow. Take it. Learn whatever you can from this and find your own self. Sheik Muzata. Bate. Well, laba ETV Uganda, eyo baluwa ya mukadde waffe kitaffe kuba musajja mukulu munange myaka gyalimu gya kutuzaala Sheik Muzata bate. Nga agezaako okwanukula Kenzo, nga agezaako okumwetondera, nga agezaako okumugamba nti munnange ono Nsonyiwa, ebyaliwo byaliwo, naye Wasa Nyoko, ekigambo ekyo Kyansimatukako busimatusi, naye nkusaba onsonyiwe, nkusaba onsonyiwire ddala mutabani wange. Wela alaba ETV Uganda oyinza okuteekawo comment yo, oba Sheik Muzata bate yeetaaga okusonyiyibwa, oba yeetaaga kugenda mu maaso na kukomererwa, osobola okuteekawo comment yo. Abantu bangi wano bwabikoze, bwawandiise. So many people went on and commented. A lot of comments. People had a lot of comments here. Ono agambye this is not Muzata's handwriting. Simanyi oba post ya Facebook omuntu agiraba ati abamuyita Hadija Namiro. Then Beck Smiles Peters ono amugambye yasamira muli oba some elders be how. Ebirala sijja kubisoma. Ono agambye it's time for Salvador to apologize. Muzata akigadde. Henry K. Mangeni, Sebo, you should act as an adult next time. Okay, ono Remi Nanono ime amugambye dayo gye wabyogerera gyoba weetondera. I mean, shoot a video still. Oyasama nnyo anti bwe buzibu. Ate n'olowooza bakuwaana kumbe bakusunga. Ono Ampaire Isabella amugambye you are very bright. Muhumuza Martin Beta ono nno ye manager wa Musuza Kenzo abasinga gwe mwali manyinga ja live beta naye Katonda wa mukisa. Comment ye weeri wano, comment ye weeri wano. Okay, agambye the message came in a video form, so I think the public would respect and appreciate. He apologized the same way he mocked motherhood. Nabako bataginga ekitegedde aina bataginze wano Kasule Douglas Benda Musana Faizo Uganda Fake Love Virgin Boy Yasin M Chiraga Moras Fabusham mulaba mutya bannange ngana yebwe yakaka mali yachi okwetonda ku kamera. He should do the same. Alekerawe jogo. ETV Uganda ndowooza this is the best comment. Kuba tufunye comment entuufu okuva ewa manager wa Eddy Kenzo. Ali ku kamera bamuyita Morris Fresh Eyes on camera here. Tuli wano tukikwasaganya mpola. Alright, abalaba ETV Uganda ndowooza sigenda kusukkawo bwe tulaba comment ya manager otuba tetusukkawo tuba tulaba bulabi kiddako. ETV Uganda Word XP olina okwekuumira wano muganda wange toseguka tula butuuzi okkalire tulabe nga tukuwa ekisingakaawo mbagala nnyo baganda bange What XP gemanya thank you so much for watching